welcome to day 2 of Center Parcs. It is Saturday morning and I just woke up and this is my view. How amazing is this view? It's so beautiful. And look down here, you can see all the ducks. And I saw some squirrels. I think there's one over there. Oh, is that a deer as well? There's some deer. There's a deer down there. Look. I love the wildlife here. It's amazing. Look at that, a deer. Oh, and there's 2 squirrels chasing each other. There. So I think the plan for today is that we are going to go to the country club, like the Forest is in at the country club this morning, and just get coffee, because it's like a really nice woodland setting, and then this afternoon we'll go to the pool. We're both woken up a bit tired for I think just because yesterday was quite a busy day, but we'll like relax this morning and then the pool this afternoon. I can't wait to go on the tropical cyclone because it was closed yesterday because it closed at 7 and we didn't get to the pool till 7:30, so I can't wait to go on that today. Look, I just can't get over this view. It's so nice, absolutely amazing. Breakfast with a view. We are off to the country club and the sun has come out for us, which is significantly better weather than we were expecting.
5 loads of fantastic deals this Halloween at Asda. Selected Asda stores subject to availability. These are 542 grams to 633 grams. Factories and over 6,000 vehicles. With the latest news, I decided to save more by shopping in little.
So,
Wow, look at that backdrop.
yeah, we can sit out.
We are back for lunch. We've got sausage bagels, vegan sausage bagels, and these amazing crisps. Pigs in blanket flavour crisps. These are amazing. You have to try these if you haven't.
That's going to be useless as well. Oh,
We are going to the pool. I'm so excited. Let's go.
Going up.
Yay! I'm very cool. It fits right. Oh, it's so nice in the evening.
Gorgeous.
We are back from an amazing afternoon at the pool. That was so nice, and literally it's dark outside now. Look at that. Because the clocks change like next week, so it's all dark. Here we go, we've got a nice Indian dinner after a lovely afternoon at the pool.
Ich möchte ja. Internationalen Recht ist